Yeah, definitely not in the way. That's for sure. Warning. Danger. High voltage live wires. Didn't know about a freight train, but luckily the freight train stopped right near the red light as well. For good measure, which is good. Once it gets the orange, it can go, but because it's a freight train, not a normal passenger train, it'll take longer to go. Plus, these freight trains, I think, are diesel powered. Not steam, thank God they're not steam, because they'd be even slower. I don't know what's slower, a freight train or a steam powered train off the line. Just waiting on the orange. Once it goes orange, you're off. The other train should have buggered off by now. Oh, it's orange! It's orange! You can move. You can go now. Yeah, you can go. I think it wants to wait for a double orange, unless it was the freight train not wanting. Now I think it's gonna go. Start releasing the brake. Oh, there's the power. Comes the power. That's power. Go, 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 go. That's power on. There we are. Good recall, mate. And the freight train's now moving alright. It's good. Luckily the freight train realised it can actually go because it's orange, but it has to go slower though. Keep that in mind, it has to go slower than normal. Luckily it went orange for good time. Well, here's the freight train. And it was a Pacific National locomotive, by the way. Don't know what number code, but what I do know is it was a Pacific National. I was waiting at a red light, actually. And by the way, this Pacific National train was waiting at a red light because a suburban train, SMU and IMU combo train, unfortunately, I wish it was an NGR, but it is what it is. It goes. We had to actually wait for that train to go ahead because it had a red light of itself. Luckily, it was blocked. Here it is. I was just train watching them recently as well, and this freight train suddenly appeared. That's the end of it. Here it is. Very empty freight here. Sorry, here comes the train. There's that freight train. Yeah, it's Pacific National. I think you saw the colour because it's colour. 3-minute video of a freight train, eh? Here's the end.